Do the shit in here. Then, it's the guys' room right here. They don't got no cameras in there. Come down here. Oh, shit. Hey! Yo!
Yo!
You need to leave! Like the kitchen. Maybe I want some food. Some eats. Gas, gym.
You can only get here.
Oh shit, this me.
Yeah. That you, my boy.
You.
We gotta activate for gas too.
For sure.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm lost, bro. Like,
But it's a rat. It's a rat. There's a rat in here right now. There's a rat in here.